In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix 0x80070424 error while updating Windows. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and then go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you'll find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So click the Run button corresponding to Windows Update to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So follow the on-screen instructions. After running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Next method, go to the Windows search bar and type Services. Click on it under the best match. Then look for the background intelligent transfer service, double click. Change the startup type to automatic and click on start to make sure this is running on your Windows 11. Apply and then OK. Then scroll down to the D section and look for the DCOM server process launcher, double click. Change the startup type to automatic, click on the start button, apply and then OK. Then scroll down to the remote procedure call. This one, RPC. Double click. Make sure this is automatic and the service status. Make sure to choose the start button to make sure this is running. Apply and then OK. The same thing for the remote procedure call RPC locator. Then locate the Windows Defender firewall. Double click. Make sure this startup type is automatic and make sure this is running by clicking on the start button. Apply and then OK. Then look for the Windows Update service. Startup type, that should be automatic, and simply click on the start button, apply and then OK, and then that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.